What if we could stop aging? Disease, decay, and even death reversed. It sounds like science fiction, but scientists are closer than ever to unlocking the secrets of immortality. For centuries, humans have searched for the fountain of youth. From alchemist's potions to modern medicine, the quest for immortality has fascinated us all. We're talking about manipulating genes, reversing cellular damage, even downloading our consciousness. So, what are the technologies that could make us live forever? Let's explore the most groundbreaking advancements in longevity science. Imagine a tiny microscopic clock ticking away inside every single one of your cells. That's your telomere, a protective cap at the end of your DNA. Every time a cell divides, that telomere gets a little bit shorter. When those telomeres get too short, your cells stop dividing and functioning properly. But what if we could rewind that clock? Scientists at Harvard and Stanford have been working on ways to extend telomeres, effectively reversing cellular aging. They've been focusing on telomerase, an enzyme that can rebuild those telomeres. In 2024, researchers successfully reversed aging in human cells by reactivating telomerase. This could one day lead to biological immortality. Imagine a world where we age slower, healthier, and stay mentally sharp for centuries. With telomere research, the future of aging is looking very different. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly repairing and renewing themselves, but as we age, things start to get a little messy. Imagine your body as a bustling city. When everything's working right, it's a symphony of activity. But then you get these zombie cells. These senescent cells are like rundown buildings. They're not functioning anymore, but they're also not going away. They spread inflammation, damaging the healthy cells around them. These senescent cells are linked to a whole host of age-related diseases, Alzheimer's, cancer, heart disease. But don't worry, science is on the case. Researchers are developing senolytic drugs, which target and eliminate these zombie cells. A recent study at the Mayo Clinic extended the lifespan of mice by 36% using senolytic drugs. Human trials are already underway. We could be on the verge of a senolytic revolution. Imagine adding decades to a human lifespan. The CRISPR revolution, rewriting the code of life. Let's talk about genetic engineering, specifically this revolutionary tool called CRISPR. CRISPR is like a molecular scalpel, allowing us to make incredibly precise edits to DNA. It's like having a word processor for your genes. This technology is already being used to treat genetic diseases, but it goes way beyond that. What if we could use CRISPR to target the very genes that control aging? Imagine editing out genetic predispositions for diseases like Alzheimer's or cancer. In 2023, a study at MIT successfully used CRISPR to reverse age-related damage in mice. The ethical implications of this technology are huge, but the potential benefits are enormous. We're talking about eliminating inherited diseases, repairing DNA damage, even enhancing human capabilities. CRISPR has the potential to redefine what it means to be human. The Hunger Games: can calorie restriction and longevity drugs hack our lifespans? What if I told you one of the most effective ways to extend your lifespan is already within your reach? Eat less. Studies have shown that reducing calorie intake by 30% can significantly slow down the aging process and increase longevity in various organisms. But let's be real, who wants to live a life of constant hunger pangs? That's where things get interesting. Scientists are developing caloric restriction mimetics, drugs that can trick your body into thinking it's fasting, even when you're enjoying a delicious meal. These drugs like rapamycin and resveratrol have shown incredible promise in lab tests, increasing the lifespan of animals by up to 40%. The idea that we can mimic the effects of fasting with medication is incredibly exciting. Digital souls. Could mind uploading be the key to immortality? What if we could upload our consciousness, our memories, our very essence into a digital realm? Companies like Neuralink and Nectome are working on technologies to map and preserve brain activity. Imagine a future where your thoughts, your experiences, your entire personality could live on long after your physical body is gone. This raises a whole host of philosophical questions. If you create a digital copy of your mind, is it truly you? What does it mean to have a consciousness without a body? These are questions that philosophers have been grappling with for centuries, but they're becoming increasingly relevant as we venture into the realm of mind uploading. The advancements being made in brain-computer interfaces and artificial intelligence are bringing us closer than ever to this mind-blowing possibility. The future of forever, a choice, not just a dream. We're standing on the edge of a revolution in what it means to be human. The technologies we've talked about today might seem like science fiction, but they're rapidly becoming our reality. Some of these breakthroughs are already being tested on humans, while others are still in development. Could science really defeat aging? Or will we always remain mortal? The answer may come sooner than we think, but the real question is, Do we want it? What are the ethical implications of extending human lifespans indefinitely? How would it impact society, our planet, our very understanding of life and death? What do you think? Would you want to live forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing science like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.